Hello, friends. Welcome back to another day of Sounds and Words with me, Miss Hall, and me, Frankie Fox. Hi, Frankie. We're so glad you could join in today. I'm so happy to be here. I'm so happy all of you could join in today as well. Frankie, can you read our learning target today? I sure can. I can identify specific sounds in words. Great job, Frankie. Is everyone ready to get started? We're going to begin with identifying the first sound we hear in words. I'm going to say a sentence, you'll repeat it, and then tell me the first sound you hear in all of the words. Let's give it a try. Bumblebees buy bubbles. What's the first sound in those words? B. Yes, B. Fred found 5 fat frogs. What's the first sound you hear in those words? Yes. Great job. Let's do one more. My mother made muffins. What's the first sound you hear? Yes. Great job identifying the first sound you hear in words and sentences. For our next activity, I'm going to get my choppers out. I'm going to say the first sound in a word, and then the last chunk, which is called the rhyme. When I go like this, you're going to say what the word is. Ready to give it a try? Dad. Dad. In. Tin. Up. Mop. N. Pen. Us. Bus. Great job putting the first sound in a word together with its rhyme to make a word. Now it's time to identify the final or last sound we hear in words. I'm going to say 2 words. You'll repeat them. And then you and Frankie are going to say what the final sound is. Are you ready? Say rub, knob. What's the final sound? B. Yes, B. Say sap, hope. What's the last sound? P. Yes, P. Say save, hive. What's the last sound? Good job. Good job identifying the final sounds we hear in words. Now it's time for you to get your choppers out. I'm going to say a word. You're going to chop the first sound and the ending chunk or the rhyme. Good. Let's give that a try. Say yell. Now chop the first sound and rhyme in yell. Yell. Good job. Say gag. Now chop it. Ag. Great job. Say fed. Now chop fed. Ed. Super job. Let's do one more. Say rub. Now chop rub. Great job, everyone. For our next activity, we're going to start with a word. Change the first sound. When I go like this, you'll say what the word is. You ready to give that a try? Say big. Change B to P. Pig. Say pig. Change P to D. Dig. Say dig. Change D to fig. Say fig. Change to wig. Great job changing the first sound in a word to make a new word. For our next activity, we're going to start with a word, take away the first sound, and say the rhyme or ending chunk that's left. Ready? Say cab. Say it without k. Ab. Say rib. Say it without r. ib. Say duck. Say it without d. Uck. Say job. Say it without j. Ob. Great job taking away the first sound and saying the rhyme or chunk that's left. We're ready for our last activity, counting words and sentences. Frankie is such a good counter. He's going to help us out today. Yes, I am. All right, here's our first sentence. I'm going to say it. You're going to repeat it and put a finger in the air for each word you hear, and then you'll say how many words it is. Ready? Her mom came to school. Say it and put a finger in the air for each word you say. How many words are in that sentence, everybody? 5. That's right, 5 words. If you noticed, I didn't say it with you this time. Here's another one. I like to eat my lunch. I want you to repeat that and put a finger in the air for each word you say. How many words are in the sentence, I want to eat my lunch? 6 words. We needed to have 2 hands. You're right. There were 6 words in that sentence. Let's do one more. That food is hot. Repeat that and put a finger in the air for each word you hear. Can I say it? You sure can. That food is hot. That's right, Frankie. And how many words was that? 4. I gotta go now, everybody. Time to go play with some kitties. Well, that is all we had for today, friends. Thanks for joining in, and we'll see you again next time. Have a great day.